What's going on, everybody? My name is Michael, and today we are going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with a free AI tool that helps you automate your sales on products that you don't even have to fulfill. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff that takes you through step by step everything you need to do to get started earning money with AI and ChatGPT. And again, all of this is 100% for free, and you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere in the world. Inside of this video, you're going to get this roadmap that will show you everything that you have to do in a checklist format. You're also going to be getting a bunch of pre-made videos that have already been built for you so you can start posting on social media. I'm going to give you a list of long-form videos that you can start replicating. I'm going to give you pre-made and pre-written emails that you can start sending about the different tools, and a ton of other stuff, including a free AI tool that will allow you to send emails, automate your follow-ups, and even build landing pages. And all of this is going to be 100% for free. And all you have to do to gain access to all of this right now is drop a comment, leave a like, and a subscribe, and I will send you access to this right now. So go ahead, drop a comment, leave a like, and a subscribe, and I will send you access to all of this for free right now. First thing, go to digitalplaybook.com and you can get all the freebies that I was talking about earlier. So click here, put in your information, and then it's going to take you to this page where you can watch this step-by-step tutorial if you want. But you're going to want to click here to get the 30-day free trial, which is going to give you access to the VIP checklist, where it has the downloadable content, images, everything, but most importantly, it'll have the snapshots, which is how we're going to be able to set up the copy and paste system into your account. So go here, you want to get your 30-day free trial. Boom, boom. Step 2, sign up for that. And once you have the thing set up, snapshot, boom. Basically, like I said, the snapshot is going to allow you to have all the funnels, emails, follow-ups imported automatically into your system. So just re-click, go to snapshot, go up here, click there. It's going to take you to this page. Click yes, import. And then it's going to it's going to import it right here. Boom. You're going to want to, boom, create a new account. And then just do account manually. And then it'll have you click save. Then you want to fill everything. You honestly can just AA, blah, blah, blah. It really doesn't matter. I'm obviously not going to do this because I already have an account. And then you're going to click save. And it's going to take you to here. So this is a sub account, and this is where everything's going to be. You'll have landing page, automations. This is where you'll have all the email follow-ups from the opt-in. I want to say there's probably like 700 emails. I lied, 70 emails, not 700. That's 2 years. But the whole thing is you want to be able to have automation systems to where for yourself, or if you want to try to get clients, to help them with the follow-ups of whatever thing that you want to promote or sell. In this case, we're doing Go High Level, but there's also Shineify. Radar is another tool that I love and I promote. This is what I use to schedule out all my content. All the content you see right here, you have availability to get inside the checklist right here. All of these where they're already in a drive link and you already have them to where you just click, boom, download. There should be no excuses for you getting out content. And the whole point is, when you get views, the whole point is you want to get traffic to your affiliate link. And how to get your affiliate link for any of these tools, let's just go with Go High Level, since this is the one that we're using. Is you're going to scroll all the way down and affiliate program, become an affiliate, and you sign up that way. Let's just take something else for an example. Word Hero, another AI tool. Almost bet we scroll all the way down here, that'll say something about affiliate, boom, and you apply. Already logged in, I guess I already applied for that one, but you get the point. So let's take it even step by step. You would download a video. Let's take, boom, boom. This one, I already have it clicked. I like this one. Download it. Video is downloaded. Now, let's say you don't want to get Radar to use to schedule out all your content. You can do everything inside of your sub account with Go High Level. Let's go to marketing. I obviously use Radar, but I have some content already imported in here so I can show you guys. It's not loading. Here we go. Boom. And this is same concept as Radar, which allows you to schedule out all your content. First, you would have to obviously connect all your stuff. And then, boom, plug and play. Oh, plug and play. Let's say you don't want to. Let's say you don't want to promote, one of these AI tools. Well, another system that I'm going to start talking about is taking all these done for you things that we have in here, as far as emails, the funnels that are in here, and you can reach out to other local businesses or other influencers that already have an audience, traffic, followers, and you can sell them this system and build this out for them on their back end. Because what I've noticed is a lot of these people, they know how to create views and traffic and create content, but they have nothing on the back end to start making money. So that is another business model that you could go if you don't want to go with promoting these AI tools. So, quick video. I'm going to be making more videos, more in-depth videos. But if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And like I said, to get this checklist, just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and everything will get sent to you right away. Happy money making.